Hello YouTube. I know it's been a while since I made a proper video, but I've been busy, especially around the holidays. Things get really busy. But that's all about to change. Here's a 10-inch Massey box fan. You may remember I have another one of these. It's in kind of a bluish green color, and it has a different switch. It's a dial, this one's a slider. But otherwise it's basically the same. This one I got between July and December of 2008, so it's the older one. And it was actually featured in my second video, but not my first. That's how I know when I got it. It's a pretty good fan for being a newer fan. It's lasted all this time, I mean. So there's the side of it, and the back. It's not exactly a box, because the back sticks out, but it's still basically a box fan. Let me adjust the light real quick, and I'll show you the information. Warning: to reduce the risk of electrical shock, do not use in a window. And 9-inch, it says 9-inch actually. Model number MBF-909. Made in China, of course. Date code is 0208. So I guess that's when it was made. Like I said, I got it sometime between July and December of that year. Probably sometime in the summer. So anyway, let me adjust the light. Let's turn it on now. It's 2 speeds. It does make a bit of a rattling sound for some reason, but let's turn it on. That's high. That's low. And that's off. So yeah, there's my 9-inch, I guess, Massey box fan. Thanks for watching.